YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Mike Larry, man. I'm back with y'all one more time. Today, man, I got in a little pack from my man Deli Dale. Most of y'all reviewers, y'all been checking them out. I've seen on a lot of people's pages, man. These dope tags, man. These things are fight. Look at that. Yeah, man, y'all gotta check them out though, for real. The quality is amazing. These joints are sick, man. Shout out to Deli Dale on these joints. I got that special, the limited edition LeBron James with the line on that joint. You can also get stuff engraved on the back here if you want. Yeah, these are hot, man. Just wanted to show it to y'all real quick. Clear that up a little bit. Yeah, but that's it. Shout out to Deli Dale, man. For sure. All right, YouTube, peace.